Thank you for joining us on this video where we show you how to use a piezoelectric gas stove from Pigeon. This is how simple it is. You turn the knob and it auto ignites. And then you use it like a regular gas stove until you want to turn it off. Now let us show you this up close. You press the knob firmly and rotate it counterclockwise until you hear a click. That is it. The ignition turns on. Let's look at the underbody of the gas stove to show you the mechanism. This, what you see, is the pilot flame nozzle. The pilot gas comes out of this nozzle, and when you turn the knob, the moment you hear a click, a spark ignites the pilot gas. This pilot gas then ignites the burner. Now let us show you a small difference between the ignition of the side burners and the middle burner. Since the side burner is closer to the nozzle, it will ignite relatively faster than the middle burner. For the middle burner, since it is farther away from the nozzle, turn and hold the knob just for an extra second before the click. The gas needs that extra second to travel the distance. Well, this is how the Piezo Auto Ignition system on a Pigeon gas stove works. Have fun using it. Thank you.